know what I just noticed? I lost my second pair of keys. So I can't do the intro where like I grab the keys because the real keys are inside the car. I was trying to make it look cool. Whatever, let's go downstairs. What's up, guys? So this video is gonna be a little bit different. I know I always say I'm gonna come back and start making videos and I'm a liar, but yeah, this one's gonna be a little bit different. So there's the car. I know I really haven't posted in a long time, and honest truth is because I kind of ran out of things to post. Kind of finished the car how I wanted it to look. There is some things I could do, like a KO4 turbo, but other than that, exterior mods and things like that, I'm at its like peak. I have everything I want really, besides carbon fiber hood, but I'm still iffy on that. But that's really the reason I haven't posted. I lost content or creative content, and I don't know, I feel like my channel is more of a tutorial based and not mostly me. So push that in. That's not good. Anyways, but yeah, I feel like my channel is more tutorial based, so I feel like you guys wouldn't want me talking or anything like that. It's not fun. I'm not one of those guys who just goes ahead and vlogs, so that's the reason why I haven't been posting. But yeah, I just wanted to go ahead and just talk for this video. The next videos, I do have some tutorials. I'm gonna post some things, but just this video is just gonna be me talking about the car. Let's see what I got. Honestly, I'm happy with it. It looks good, it rides good. I do have an intercooler in it. That's gonna be the next video coming up. But other than that, the car is exactly how I wanted it. It is, for those who don't know, 2013 Audi A5, B8.5 2.0 engine in it with full bolt-ons now. And I'm done with it. So I have been looking into getting other cars like an S5, RS5. I'm at the point where I can afford one now and not struggle with it and just build it too. But something about this car has just kept me with it. It's the car that started a lot of things for me. I used to have a BMW and that one started a lot, but this one really got me because I was able to go ahead and finish everything I wanted to do aesthetically, which was all the carbon fiber and all the pieces that I wanted to, the wheels I wanted to, the fit mount I wanted to. So it kind of grew on me. Even if it's an A5, a lot of people still like it a lot. It looks cleaner than most S5s out there. Yes, it might not make the power and all that, but for me, it looks really good. And for a lot of people, that's half the thing. Yes, there's power that comes with it, but I can get there. I don't know. If I do, I do want to keep this car. I don't want to get rid of it. I don't want to go to an S5 or RS5. I have looked at those options, and it's just, I don't know if I want to redo all that. This car just has a lot more sentimental value than just a piece of metal. And a lot of people can agree to that with their cars, so that's why I kept it so long. Not saying that there won't be other cars coming to the channel or I won't be buying other cars, but this car is just gonna stay in the fleet. Yeah, I could get an S5 and have more power and do all that. It'd be cool, but I don't know. Having this thing is just, I built it to what I wanted to when I couldn't afford what I actually wanted. And now that I can afford what I wanted before, I don't want it. But for those that haven't really seen the car, let me go ahead and walk you through it. So it has an ECS carbon fiber front lip on it that got scraped to shit by valet parking one day when I went to eat with my coworkers, and it got all the whole bottom side got scraped up really bad, and I heard it and everybody gasped and whatever, but it held up really good. So that goes to show you how strong carbon fiber is. You can't tell anything, no cracks or nothing. So this lip has been stronger than any other lip I bought before, so spend the extra money, it's definitely worth it. Next thing is RS grill, which makes a big difference. One of the first mods you should do to the exterior because it makes your car stand out. I did black this out. I don't have upgraded headlights and stuff like that. I do have wheels. So these are ESR RF2s. They're 19s by 9.5, 35 offset, and they're upgraded rotors, and the calipers have been painted with the Quattro sign on it. So it looks really good. And the wheels are wrapped in Firehawk Indy 500s, 255, 35, 19s. But yeah, going to the side more. Carbon fiber side mirror things. But the thing is about these, they're getting really ugly. And I've noticed that with other ones because at work, some cars come with these and they look the same. So I don't know if the sun just beats them up too much. So I'm looking into getting new ones of these. Maxton Design side skirts. Those were kind of hard to find. Like, I'll post a link for these because they are kind of hard to find. I'm not gonna post a link to everything. There's a video out there already with all that. So, but these are kind of hard to find. still haven't found them in carbon fiber for a decent price, like under 700 bucks. They're all like 900 bucks for just some side skirts, so I haven't found any of those. Carbon fiber rear spoiler, excuse me. But yeah, this is like the M4 style. I like it a lot. For those who know, I used to have a wing on this car and kind of blocked it off. I kind of fixed that. Things I wish I wouldn't have done, but anyways, whatever. Then I have an S5 carbon fiber diffuser that I made fit on a non-S-line bumper, which is something I would have liked to know before I bought it, that the S5 diffuser doesn't fit on non-S-line bumpers. You're gonna have to trim a whole bunch. A lot of people have been asking me for a tutorial video on it, and honestly the reason I haven't put it out is because you're gonna mess up your bumper. You're gonna cut it up and it's not gonna look perfect, and I just don't want to put something out there that's not gonna look decent. So that's the reason I want to have it. Later on I might just say fuck it if a lot of you or most of you just want to go ahead and do it and fuck up your rear bumper. So yeah, other than that, oh, this is one of my favorite mods that, like, it's iffy, but it's like a wrapped carbon fiber top on it, you know, like the M4s have. Yeah, I did that on this car and it looks really good in the sun. But yeah, you can't really tell it's not real, because when you look at the carbon fiber ones too, they kind of look like, you're like, is that real? So this doesn't look that bad, and it's one of the things that I was super iffy when I did it, but I've grown to love. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much the outside of the car. Oh, and it's lowered on springs. Which brand, I'm not sure. That was one back when I was broke. I bought some eBay springs. So yeah, the back could be lower, the front's perfectly fine. Other than that, that's the whole car. Engine wise, I'll get to it later in another video. I'll show you guys what all the mods I have done to it. So, and I want to do a video where I take off all the, well, the tune and like the, what's like the throttle thing that makes it go fast and stuff. But I want to see what it looks, drives stock compared to full bolt-ons and tuned. So I'm gonna be making that soon. Well, I had to talk about the car kinda, so, but yeah, I like the black a lot, but I kinda am getting bored of the look. It's everything I wanted to, but now that I have had it for like a month finished, kinda getting bored. I do want to keep the car, so I'll probably change it up. I want to get some like T37s on it and change the color to a dark, I used to have Nardo gray, but like to a dark space gray, and get a carbon fiber hood. So I think that would look really cool, like a track kind of look. But yeah, that's what I want to do next. But I know this video hasn't been a lot of car stuff and me installing things, but I want to do something a little bit different, just me talking about why I haven't been posting, so you guys get the idea. But I'm gonna go ahead and try to post every single Tuesday, at least Tuesday, Thursday, at least once a week. If I skip 1 week, I'm sorry guys, but I do have work and all this stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna try to post more content besides just tutorials, because honestly they're really draining to do, because I don't know, it's not what I wanted to do from the beginning. I wanted to help people out and like give them tutorial vids, but that's not what I wanted the whole channel to be about. But if you guys listen to me talk for this whole time, thank you guys so much. Everyone who follows, subscribes, thank you a lot. If you guys want to see more of the car, follow me on Instagram. It's gat_zilla, so GAT_ZILLA. I'll put it on the screen as well if you guys want to follow me and see the car online. Other than that, thanks for subscribing guys. See y'all next time. Peace.